Not sure how to describe the module you want? Open Enter and click Components. Here you'll find a full library of ready-made blocks. Hero, Price, scroll through and find the one that feels right. Click Preview to see it in action. Like it, click Use It Now and add it to your project. Go back to the Enter chat and tell it what you want. After the first build, you can keep building. Open the Components panel, pick one and tell Enter to add it. Or select an area, choose a component, and ask Enter to place it there. Hit Preview and your page is ready. Pick a component. Your page builds itself.